Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lawrence. Have a laptop.
It's not bringing the display, so let's work on it and we fix it. Let's do the work. Let's do it. Yes, man.
You can see the light. You can see the light here. Here's the light. So here's the light also. You can see the light there. Here's the light.
I can see the display, but no backlights.
I can see the display, but no backlight.
So let's check at the inverter. Let's check the inverter.
So this is the inverter. Yeah, here's the inverter.
Comes through here.
And then from here
To the CCFL tube.
for this fluorescent tube driver to work,
Yes, we need 3 different voltages. The 19 voltage, the 3.3 backlight enable voltage, and then lastly the 3.3 volt for the brightness. Okay. So let's see what we can get from here.
this is 18. That's 18. The 3.3 is missing. It's missing. The 3.3 is missing.
So
On from here.
this is the cable that comes here. Here. All these voltages come from here. And this is the diode.
It controls the backlight. Since it is not giving the signals, so now what we're going to do,
We get a 3.3 voltage from anywhere here. Then if you get 3.3 voltage, we get a 3.3 voltage from here, and then we loop the 3.3 voltage here. Okay, so let's do it. Let me remove. Okay, so first let's find the 3.3 voltage. Let's find the 3.3. Hopefully this is a ground. I can get the 3.3 voltage. So this fan is using 3.3 voltage. So can I get it from the fan? 3.3 voltage. No. Sorry. I will not get it from the fan. I have to get it from somewhere else. Let's find the 3.3 voltage. This is 5 volt. This is 3. Here it is. This is the 3.3 volt. Oh, maybe we can get it from hopefully from somewhere here. No, this is 5 volts, but it should be somewhere here, so consider voltage. Let's look for it. It should be somewhere here, so consider voltage. Here it is. I got it. Here it is. So we're going to get the 3.3 voltage from here. From here, 3.3 voltage from here. You're going to get it from here, 3.3 voltage. I got it. But you're going to pick this one here. Okay, let's do it. Let's remove. Let's move the power jar. We don't put it down or anything, so we're going to use this wire. See the track. These are the two tracks. It is for the enable and the brightness. Let's solder the 3 volts to those lines. So now let's see if the backlight is going to come there. Bam. If there you can see the backlight. Aha, HP. There we go. So I believe I'm done. I'll just need to assemble it. So yeah, sorry, it will behave. See, Evan.